Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve Microsoft Store with the error code 0x80070483 and Windows 10 computer. And then I'll show you solutions to fix this error. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to run the Windows Store app troubleshooters. So all you have to do is to click on a search menu, and then here you need to type this troubleshoot settings, and then you need to click open. And then once you open up here a troubleshoot settings, and then on right side, and then you need now to select this additional troubleshooters and then click. And then here now at additional troubleshooters here at left side navigation panel, and then underneath here at find and fix other problems. Then you need now to scroll down and select this Windows Store Apps. So all you have to do is to click, and then you can see now this run the troubleshooters and then click again. And then pop up this detecting problems, initializing and diagnostic process. Then we need to wait to complete the scanning. And then after this scanning complete, then you can see now those step-by-step procedures and method to fix this error. So all you have to do is to follow only here the screen instructions. So you can view also the detailed informations about this error. And then you can see now this troubleshooting report. And then you need now to follow the step-by-step procedure here to fix this error. And then you need to click or tap this next. Alright, so after here at Windows Store App Troubleshooters, and the next solutions that we're going to do is to repair the corrupted system files. So all you have to do is to click on a search menu. And then here you need to type this CMD, or this is the command prompt. And then you need to click or tap this run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click yes. And then once you open up here at administrator command prompt, and then next step, then we need to type and enter this command keyword as fc space / scan now. So /scan now, that is one word, and then press enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So here we need to wait to complete the verifications into 100%. So that's why we will perform this command keyword as fc scan now, because this is the command used in Windows to run the system file checker as fc tool, which scan all protected system files on your computer and replaces any corrupted or incorrect versions with the correct Microsoft versions. Then we need to wait to complete the verifications. And verifications 100% complete. And the next command keyword that we need to copy and paste this command keyword, dsm space /online space /cleanup -image space /restore health. So use keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C to copy this command. And then we need to paste in here, use keyboard shortcut Ctrl+B, and then press enter. And deploy image servicings and management tool. So here we need to wait to complete the verifications into 100%. And the restore operations completed successfully. And then we need to close this CMD. And then here at the start menu, then we need to restart to fix this error. So click only here, restart. Alright, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching. And hopefully this video was helpful to resolve Windows error on your PC. And give it a thumbs up and share it with others who are having problems with Windows. And if you're new to our channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out on the latest for Windows Guide tutorials. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.